Hello techies. We are here to discuss one of the high-demand technology SAP Ariba in this video. This is an introduction session video and you can learn more through the uDemand YouTube channel. So before proceeding into the main learning session, let's know about uDemand and what we are exactly. uDemand is a real-time, collaborative learning platform for software development. It produces professionals that are self-sufficient and have the willpower to compete on global business networks. Let us have a quick short introduction to SAP Ariba. SAP Ariba is the top end-to-end collaborative business commerce platform. SAP Ariba helps companies of all sizes and industries quickly and securely find, acquire, manage, and pay for a wide range of goods and services. A comprehensive array of connected applications cuts costs, minimizes risk, and enhances collaboration across all departments on the platform. It connects 4 million suppliers, buyers, finance, and legal departments. SAP Ariba helps companies source smarter, reduce time to market, enhance sourcing accuracy, and comply with laws and industry standards. Let's begin with a few essential aspects of SAP Ariba for a moment. It's a cloud-based provider. There are no prerequisites to learning SAP Ariba. It has high demand in the market. Efficient and affordable software. It helps you in saving time and money. Coming to SAP Ariba history, it was introduced in the market in 1996 and has become a global leader in providing cloud-based procurement and supply chain solutions. SAP Ariba's popularity has grown due to the flexibility and convenience of its cloud-based features and services. SAP Ariba is a platform that can be implemented in the cloud and does not need any prerequisites to learn it. SAP Ariba helps businesses achieve increased efficiency and cost savings through automated procedures and insight throughout the procurement cycle. SAP Ariba gives companies a solution to manage their procedures that is efficient and easy on their finances. Please subscribe to our uDemand YouTube channel for more videos and share it with your friends if you enjoy it.